Hey y'all, Coach Melina McGee. We're here at the workshop. We're finishing up, but we're gonna just give a little bit of details of what everybody kind of learned going through this. All right.
Hello, my name is Dennis. So I'm so happy I had the opportunity to come here to be a part of this life lesson coaching experience. I get to put everything I've seen online on the videos on YouTube and be able to see in real life her explaining in detail everything you need to know on how to start your business. So she gives you your one-on-one session that you need, break everything down so you can understand it from a layman perspective. She also help you understand the ins and outs and the struggle that she went through, how she able to get to where she is now. She's an excellent coach, and I believe everyone who's going to start this business needs to have this coaching experience, because you do not want to undo things that you already should have learned from the beginning. You know, she give you the step-by-step process of how you should start and how you can go by from beginning to end.
Everyone, my name is Adaku, so I'm here at this course as well. Well worth coming. You're honestly not going to find anyone else anywhere that explains everything to the little minutia that Coach Melina does. Follow.
Hey guys, my name is Adrian. I'm so happy I'm here. It was a lot more interested in my education than I initially thought. A little bit about us. We had a little bit of ground experience, a little bit farther than a couple of these people in these courses, but we still got so much from these courses. I personally just wish that we had met her, I want to say 2 years ago, because there's so much stuff, just the basic stuff that I have picked up today. She's awesome. I highly recommend, if you are beginning or you're in the middle of your journey, come check her out, man. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Marveline. I'm from Connecticut. I started my NEMT transportation journey. And throughout the planning stage of my business, I have made very financial mistake. I have seen other mentors all over social media, but Melina McGee, a coach, she's the best. Coming here to this workshop in person has further educate me, have made me more comfortable in going forward in running my business. I highly recommend anyone out there who's trying to start their NEMT transportation to sign up for her in-person workshop. It's much more valuable information. Thanks.
My name is Carolyn. I can say that I had a great opportunity today to meet with Coach Melina. It was a very informative workshop, and I gained a lot of clarity about starting NEMT, and I look forward to working with her in the future. Thanks. And this the husband, yes. He's being in the background. He acting like he's shy now. He ain't shy. But I want to say thank you to everyone who has attended, because this has been a great opportunity for me to help everyone, and just gave me it was what do I want to say, a mutual exchange to help others, to help you all avoid the mistakes that I made. All right, y'all, be blessed.
This one.